how to turn on or turn off camera high efficiency pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the camera settings, we scroll down and then tap on advanced picture options. In here, tap on high efficiency pictures. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And when you turn this on, it's a safe space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format. Some apps and websites don't support HEIF pictures, so be aware of that. And after, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.